Amflo, known for building e-bikes from heart to body, introduces the PL with a powerful 850-watt peak power motor, wrapped in a stunningly lightweight 19.2 kg package. Its ultralight carbon fiber frame, weighing just 2.27 kilo, offers unmatched power, range, and performance. Equipped with DJI's Avinox drive system, the PL boasts a 105 Nm torque and advanced features like auto mode and boost mode, seamlessly adapting to various terrains and gradients. The high-capacity battery charges rapidly, reaching 75% in just 1.5 hours, while maintaining 80% capacity after 500 cycles. Enhanced by Fox's co-tuned rear shock, the PL delivers superior suspension and agile handling. With its integrated OLED display and Bluetooth-enabled controllers, riders can effortlessly control and customize their experience. This bike truly makes every pedal stroke count.